Technology and robots have progressed by leaps and bounds over the years, and you can bet they've got the goods to show. For it, in today's video we'll be talking about 5 amazing robots you won't believe exist. These robots are truly a marvel of robotics and biomechanics. We've got one robot that can handle all the kitchen work for you, and another robot that might have Optimus Prime rising from his grave yet another time. We've also got a new best friend for you that's definitely going to brighten up your days. Number 5. Robotic Seagull. First up we have the Robotic Seagull from Festo. The robotic company has really outdone itself as the bird features an aerodynamic design, one similar to those found in its natural counterparts. The bird can flap its wings and change course by twisting them at certain angles. The wings span to a length of almost 2 meters. You can alter its course by controlling it through remote control. It features autonomous and tele-operated modes. Unlike aerodynamic models before it, the Robotic Seagull does not rely on lifting gas for flights. Instead, it can take off and land autonomously. It weighs 0.45 kilograms, which is an ideal flight weight and also pretty impressive considering the wing's length. Let's just say when this bird's soaring through the skies, you'll have a hard time telling it apart from the real thing. Number 4. Digits. Next up we have Digit, which is a humanoid robot. It's been designed to move more dynamically compared to earlier versions. Digit can pull off walking, that too in different gaits. It also has the ability to climb stairs and navigate through unstructured environments. The upper torso is fitted with integrated sensing and computing. You'll also find 2 4DOF arms. There's also an extra bay for additional computing and custom payload integration. At the lower end of the torso you'll find 22 DOF feet that provide for improved walking stability. Additionally, the different joints are sealed to protect against weather conditions, making Digit perfect for outdoor use. With the help of the UN38.3 certified battery, the robot's capable of cargo air shipments. As for the software, it's a comprehensive API that allows the development of end-user applications. Customers who want to develop their own controller can also opt for the low-level API. Number 3. Megatron. Next up we have the infamous nemesis of Autobot leader Optimus Prime, Megatron in the flesh. You can find it over at the Beijing Universal Studios. At first glance the robot looks exactly like a fictional robot. It seems like the engineers behind it got all the details right. A person climbs into the robot for its wearable robot armor. The person inside can interact with the outside world with the help of a voice-changing microphone. He can also execute movements by controlling the robot with the help of remote control. The suit's mechanized movements will have you double-checking whether it's the real thing or not. Number 2. Aquanaut. Next up we have an underwater transformer called the robot's truly versatile. It can transform from a small submarine to a half-humanoid robot. It can thank 4 linear actuators. In this regard, Aquanauts are named in submarine mode. It can traverse long underwater distances without any problems, whereas in humanoid mode Aquanaut can execute complex manipulations tasks like inspecting gas and subsea oil infrastructure. It can also operate valves and use a few tools. It can travel more than 200 kilometers and can function as deep as 300 meters underwater. Additionally, the Aquanaut's equipped with 2 control thrusters and arms with 4 sensing grippers. You'll find a stereo camera, a solar system and various other sensors fitted in the robot's head. Tie equipment allows it to construct 3D renderings of its environments. The Aquanaut runs on robotic operating software ROS, allowing operators to send commands through a computer and a mouse. The Aquanaut's fitted with an acoustic modem, allowing it to transfer data over lower bandwidth and high latency. All in all, the robot has truly made the underwater terrain accessible for humans. Number 1. Robotic Ants. Next up we have the Robotic Ants. These are a case of swarm robotics. Ant robots hold the ability to interact with each other. They deploy the same mechanisms as their natural counterparts. One ant lays down a pheromone trap which is picked up and followed by another. The ants can alternate between short-lasting trails and long-lasting trails. Short trails employ the use of alcohol and heats. Virtual trails are also used at times. Additionally, the ants are fitted with an array of sensors and infrared emitters, allowing them to detect any objects in the path. They also have a 3D stereo camera that acts on their eyes. The abdomen is also fitted with an optoelectric sensor that allows them to recognize the surface beneath them. As for movements, the legs utilize accumulated electricity. They don't require much energy and have been built to be wear resistance. The ants can employ complex algorithms to undertake tasks that require mutual cooperation. Alright, comment down below which robot amazed you the most. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Gadgets Features. We'll see you in the next one.